Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install EXE apps and games on your Android phone. Just a quick heads up before we start, so not every EXE file will work, especially if you want heavy games or modern apps. It might not work for this, but older or lightweight Windows apps and some games work surprisingly well. So here I'm going to show you the easiest method. So to run the EXE files on Android, I'm going to use an app called WinLator. So it's free, safe, and also one of the most stable tools for running Windows programs on your Android phone. So first, you can just open your browser and search for WinLator GitHub. WinLator GitHub in here. Then you just need to download the latest APK from the official GitHub page. You can just find in here and download it. Okay, so this one in here, WinLater APK. So just download the applications. So once the app is downloaded, you can just install it on your phone. Click on it and then click on package installer. Click on install. So just wait until the installation process is finished. Let's open it now. So when you launch WinLater for the first time, it will create a container. Let's allow first in here. It's installing the system files. Like as you guys can see, containers here. So this is like a mini Windows environment inside your phone. So here you can just click on the plus button to add the EXE files. This is the container here. And then you can choose the performance mode, whether it's low, medium, or high. Let's click on the check icon in here for the container. And you can just keep the default settings if you're unsure. Now you can just click on start and the apps will be ready to run the Windows programs. So after this, you can just move your EXE file into the WinLater or download the folder using your file manager. Okay, so this is how it will look like. It will look like a computer, just like this. So just find the file, browse the folder, tap your EXE file, and then hit run. You can just give it a moment, and if the app or game is compatible, it will open. So that's it. That's how you can install the EXE apps or games inside your Android phone using WinLater. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.